Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make carrot pudding. Carrot is really healthy and there's a lot of benefit. It's rich with the beta carotene and also for the healthy eye. Okay, let's see the ingredient I prepared today. This is carrot, about 2, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and this is 1 tablespoon of butter, or you can use ghee, and here is 1 tablespoon of peanut, roasted peanut ground, and half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of jelly powder, and 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and finally this is about 1 bowl of fresh milk that I already boiled it. Okay, let's see the way of making carrot pudding. Now I'm going to add the fresh milk. And I'm going to add the carrot. We need to cook this carrot until it's really soft, Okay, now I already add the milk, the fresh boiled milk, and also carrot, We have to really boil this milk and also make sure the carrot become very soft. And now I'm going to add salt, and ground peanut, and now the milk is already become thick, and we can check whether it's already softer. Okay. Yeah, it's really soft. And now I'm going to blend it to make it a very smooth paste, Okay, we leave it cool down, then we will blend it, And this is how look like after I blend. Smooth, And now we never on the fire. Now I'm going to add this jelly powder, butter, and mix it, and also sugar, and finally is a milk powder. I'm going to mix it well, And now I'm going to turn on the fire. And now we keep stir. Once we see it's boiling, then we can put in the container. Now we can pour this pudding inside a container. And we just leave it. It's about 2 to 3 hours. Pudding, carrot is done. And you can see it's really soft, yeah? I hope everyone will try it at home. And we see you again. Bye.